Hello, my name is Gerhard Welker and I am Product Manager for SAP S for HANA. Today I would like to highlight 3 of the many innovations within SAP S for HANA Cloud 2008 for manufacturing and supply chain. The first one is the integration of the quality info record in the production part approval process on SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud for insights. SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud boosts manufacturing performance with an integrated cloud manufacturing execution system of near real-time data and analytics. The new integration of SAP S for HANA Cloud Quality Management with the SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud enables manufacturers and suppliers to communicate more efficiently when it comes to the production part approval process and production design. By creating collaboration rooms, manufacturers and suppliers can exchange on status and thereby increase traceability. My second topic is also about integration between SAP S/4HANA Cloud and the SAP Cloud Platform. Intelligent situation automation for the physical inventory process drives next-generation business processes by intelligently increasing efficiency and quality while unleashing users' time to focus on expert tasks. For this purpose, the rules engine on the SAP Cloud Platform enables the user to define rules for enhancing the situation types which are maintained in the SAP S/4HANA Cloud. While situation handling in SAP S/4HANA is used to automatically notify responsible persons, the rules engine automates the situation handling by making decisions. As a result, intelligent situation automation for the physical inventory process automatically checks whether recount shall be triggered or inventory differences can be accepted. Finally, I want to draw your attention to Predictive Material and Resource Planning, short called PMRP, which is our simulative mid- and long-term planning tool. Now with the 2008 release, Predictive MRP supports the external procurement scenario, which enables production planners to simulate procured materials. You can not only reduce the capacity overload for in-house production, but now also supplier overloads by maintaining constraints of suppliers. With this new feature, you can use Predictive MRP to analyze, simulate, and plan external procurement in the same way as in-house production. If you want to learn more about manufacturing and supply chain as part of our SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2008 release, visit blogs.sap.com and read my blog. You can find all this information and more on sap.com/s4-cloud release. Thanks for tuning in.